What the hell? Oh my god! Oh my god! La ilaha illallah! There's a plane, bro! Oh shit! A plane just fucking crashed! Oh shit!
Oh shit.
Oh God.
A plane has crashed right off the boulevard at Cotman Avenue. It's on fire. It's not under control. It looks like a side street. Plane.
What the hell? Yo! Oh my god! Allahu Akbar!